Good morning, friends. We are high in the Rockies of Colorado, and we are currently racing against a winter storm, which you might be able to see right behind me. Snowstorm is scheduled to roll in today at about 2 p.m., so we are hiking up to St. Mary's Glacier, which our friends tell us that we should be able to get all the way up and down the glacier in time to not be completely stuck in a whiteout. We brought all of our gear with us today because we don't know what conditions will be like on the snowfield, but we're gonna see what kind of trouble we can get up to. Just kidding, guys. The snow is already coming down on us. This is gonna be an interesting day. Can you guys see this snow right now? This is 5 hours early.
Wow, I like this vibe, Elise. It's kind of like Lara Croft meets Arctic Explorer.
I feel so ridiculous right now. I wore the snow pants because I'm like, it's gonna be freezing, there's a storm rolling in, and I'm sweating so hard. I immediately regret my decision.
I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm a little concerned. The snow's already starting to fall pretty heavily. I don't know what else we could do. I mean, we checked the weather at 5 a.m. this morning and it said snow at 2 o'clock.
I checked again 30 minutes before we pulled into the parking lot.
The snow is 5 hours early. What are you gonna do?
I don't know. I mean, it's kind of nice.
It's kind of nice right now. I mean, obviously, if it turns into a total whiteout, we're gonna turn around.
Yeah.
We've never been on this trail. We don't want to get lost or something, but hopefully it'll be okay. What do you think, Elise?
Well, St. Mary's Lake. I am pretty sure it is a solid frozen lake.
Oh, it's frozen.
It's frozen.
It is so cold up here right now. And it's probably been cold for a couple of months. This thing's probably frozen all the way through.
Sure is pretty though.
Really pretty. Yeah. Ah, I love it when you give us an ice dance.
I have to learn new skills with the spikes. How am I doing?
I don't know. It looks a little silly. Give us a Lara Croft type move.
What would Lara Croft do?
That's pretty good. That was good. I like that.
Okay.
Yeah, that was way better. Are we concerned at all that there are so many rocks on this? That implies to me that there's a ton of rockfall coming down.
Oh, wait, you're right. Right?
Yeah, these rocks are on top of the ice.
Oh.
These rocks have fallen onto the ice from up there.
Well, let's try to keep a lookout for falling rocks then, huh?
Some falling boulders?
Yeah. Getting out the poles, huh?
Yeah, I know the camera's not showing it.
Yeah.
This has actually gotten quite steep.
It's really steep. Oh my goodness.
And I just don't want to, Yeah, unless ice, you could have a slip and slide. We got our micro spikes on.
Yeah.
We have our crampons in the pack, but holes for sure.
You all right there?
It is really...
You chose like the, oh my God! Oh my God! Are you okay? Are you okay?
Might be time for the crampons.
Is that your smile? Like everything's chill, guys, everything's chill.
Might be time for the crampons.
Yeah.
Or a different route. I mean, we could go around this super ice patch.
Yeah. Let's go around it. Let's see if we can get around it, and
We
then.
can get around it. Otherwise, we gotta go crampons because the micro spikes ain't getting it done.
That was wild. Oh my God.
I hope that showed how steep it is, though.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, it's getting deep. Just a little further.
Woo.
Good job, Elise.
Wow, we're at the famous St. Mary's Glacier lookout. And it's a whiteout lookout today.
Yeah, it's getting a little dicey, guys. I mean, it's getting wider and wider.
Yeah.
But I'm looking forward to something very special, which is, well, actually two things. There's an incredible dangly snack spot here.
Oh boy.
And then, I'm sure this didn't look steep on the way up.
Yeah.
Wait till you see us glissade down.
Are we gonna glissade?
We have to, it's so steep.
It's so fun. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. How do you feel about your snack spot, dangle and all?
I feel like this is really excellent.
Yeah.
I'm not dangling over a sheer drop. What
Yeah.
I'm dangling over is the very steep snowfield that we're about to glissade down.
Oh my
at the end
God.
of this snack.
I cannot wait.
It's gonna be epic. Look how fast the snow's falling, you guys. I set my backpack down for about 2 minutes just to drink a boost, and it's already,
Oh my gosh.
it's really starting to come down.
It really is.
All right, we need to glissade down and get out of here before we can't even see anything.
We need to skedaddle.
Yep.
There he goes. That was a long one. He's still going. Wait for me. Whoa. Are you okay?
Yeah. Go, Lee, send it. Send it. Nice.
Whew, that was an intense snow splash. Woo. Go, Adam, go! Oh my God, there's so much snow around him right now. Nice one! King of the castle!
Go, Lee, send it. Let it rip. Yeah. Bring the speed. Let it rip. Let it rip. Oh my God. I am still so adrenalized off that glissade.
That was so fun.
That is about as much fun as you can have in an afternoon, I'll tell you that right now.
Why does it just make you feel like such a little kid again?
Well, because you're flying and crashing and everything.
Snow bombing yourself.
But let me say
gosh.
something. We thought we were badasses for glissading that.
Yeah.
We just met a couple guys who have snowboards.
I know, so cool.
Oh my God, that takes some balls.
One day.
But for maybe one day.
Yeah.
But glissading that was really fun. Highly recommend it if you're an accomplished glissader. Otherwise, it's too dicey.
Yeah,
Because we got some real speed going there.
Oh my gosh, it got kind of icy. Icy and dicey.
Icy and dicey.
Yes.
Just how we like it in the winter. Hope you guys love this one.
Oh, let us know what you thought.
St. Mary's Glacier, highly recommend it.
And we'll see you guys next time.
See you next time out in the snow.